Hello. In this video, we are going to be discussing about a unique technique that we can use to improve or increase our knowledge by 10 times, our business by 10 times, our academic performance by 10 times. Well, the topic that has this power is called jam session. Do you know how much work the top CEOs or the most successful people in the world give? Well, though they work for about 12 to 14 hours in their office, the most productive time or the value of the productive time that they give on an average is only 90 minutes. Is only 90 minutes, and this is the time that has resulted for their drastic success, and the rest are just activities. So what if I ask you whether we can complete 5 chapters within 30 minutes? The majority of the answer will be no, but this is definitely possible. Though it is tough, it is definitely possible through jam sessions. Well, the phenomenon behind this session or this productive session is actually that when we assign so much work to our brain and provide a very limited time, the efficiency of our brain increases. And the time that we allot should also seem impossible, so that becomes an urgency. This increases our overall performance. Okay, so how do we start? How do we get into these jam sessions? Well, this is by developing bubbles. Bubbles? Yes, it is the hypothetical bubble. The bubble of loneliness, the bubble of focus, the bubble of concentration. Well, once this is done, you will be 95% focused. It should be completely lonely, and you have to be away from the external bubble of distraction now. So with this, you will be 95% focused. So you have your timer, and then you think of you have started studying. After some time, you check your timer, and then it says it's 12 minutes. And then we will realize that it's only 12 minutes, but we have already completed 2 chapters. Time has slowed down here. How more amazing can it be? Time has slowed its speed. This is why our human brain is said to have superpowers. But sometimes our power of focus is so weak that just after 5 minutes we start demanding distraction. Let me go to the washroom. Let me have some water. Let me check if I got any message. But no. We are not moving until 30 minutes is up. Maybe there's a storm, maybe there's an earthquake, maybe the world is going to end, but we are not giving up. We are not moving. Jam sessions are usually for 30 minutes. Maybe you can do multiple jam sessions or increase the time for the jam sessions that you do. Okay, so how do you feel after the 30-minute jam session is done, completing those 5 chapters? Well, the world will start seeming so mysterious because the work that someday took you 10 hours has now taken you only few minutes. Maybe you have not completed all those 5 chapters, but you will be at your maximum potential. So this is definitely worth a try. We are all lethargic. We have everything in our hand. We sometimes have the motivation as well, but what is lagging from our side is the work. So this can be the work that can be put in the most productive way that has ever been said by some of the most successful people in this world, but is still unknown to many. So I would request you to share this video with whomever you care about. And the next thing that I would like to emphasize here is that while we do our work, it is important that we have a note of the time that we are spending. Sometimes we study, but then again we are not completely focused. So when we have a stopwatch, I think that will really help us in managing and focusing our time better. So what is more important than achieving our dreams and making our life worth living? If we want to achieve greatness and aspire many, we have to get into jam sessions. Okay, so what if you do a 30-minute jam session 3 times in a day? Well, it will be 90 minutes, and you are actually matching the productivity of all those CEOs and all those successful men. What if you do one more? Well, you're actually beating their average. This is how amazing this jam session concept is, and is still unknown. This is the irony. Okay, well, at last I would like to tell you that in order to succeed, your desire for success should be greater than your fear of failure. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for post notifications. I will meet you in the next video. Until then, keep safe. Bye.